What's up, crypto YouTube? I'm coming to you guys with the Ethereum Technical Analysis today. So let's just dive right into this. This isn't going to be a very long video. All right, so if we start out by looking at the 1 week chart, Ethereum looks really good in my opinion. It's up currently about 159% from the bottom that it made in June of 2022 all the way until, pretty much the beginning of 2023, up 160%. So that's great so far, but that is not the only way you can make money. You can actually make money by trading it on the way up. So let's see where it is currently at. Let's zoom in on the time frame a little bit to get a better picture. So let me turn off smart money concepts, get a better picture. So as you can see, on just a couple days ago, actually, Ethereum was making a head and shoulders pattern, reverse head and shoulders, somewhat. Let me know if you guys see what I see. I'm just gonna do this, boom, boom. And then it's just been going straight up since it's broken out of this head and shoulders pattern. In my opinion, I think we're gonna keep going up, but I know that there will be a correction at some point. I just don't know when that correction is gonna come. But I have kind of a good idea. So let's zoom out a little bit more. So you can see, if you use the Fibonacci retracement tool, that is what these lines are currently for. It's just to show you where those important zones are at. And if you look at Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin is actually on its way to that 618 Fibonacci zone, but Ethereum seems to be lagging behind it. So, you see Bitcoin is pretty much, just a couple more percent move, and it's going to be at that golden Fibonacci 618 line. You take a look at Ethereum. Now look at Ethereum. Ethereum is lagging so far behind. Honestly, Ethereum is very complicated to trade right now. My best advice is just to buy the dips. Every time it corrects, every time there's a lot of liquidations, buy the dip. Do that until it stops working, in my opinion. But let me get back to what I was saying. So before we have a correction, I believe we're either going to hit this Fibonacci zone right here, maybe go a couple $100 past it, to trap some more bulls or late longers, and then we get a correction back down to this zone. Oh, that's not good. So I can see that correction coming back down to, I say, about probably this area. But if it breaks through that, we're probably going to come down a lot further. But I wouldn't worry about that at the exact moment. I also would not enter a long or a short at this exact moment. You can, but of course that would be gambling. But me personally, if we get a pullback, maybe somewhere in this area, maybe retest the neckline of that head and shoulders, I may enter a long. But I'm going to play this pretty conservative. Very difficult times to trade, if you're not getting those good entries. So yeah, as of right now, I think Ethereum is on its way to $2,400, $2,500. And then I feel like we may see some sort of pullback. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be pushing out a lot more crypto content here in the near future. Have a good night, everybody.